Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. I know it's been more than a month since I uploaded a video. I've been facing some issues with my eye, and I was advised to not to look at the screens for some time, and that's why I've been not looking at the screens. But now I'm getting better, and I hope to recover fully soon. And yeah, you would be able to see my videos frequently from now on. Okay, so yeah, last month I uploaded this video about star cement. I think I posted this right around this area. Let me check. Yeah, I think this video last month I posted it, and around 123, and it has gone up to 148 or 150 area, so which is around roughly around 20% and or 19%. I hope you guys made some profit out of this, because this is such a clean setup. It is a breakout and a consolidation after the breakout, and it gave a breakout again. So yeah, obviously it is it is a very obvious trade. I know that it will slowly go up to this 150, and I have so this is my investment. I invested around 8 lakhs, and I made a profit of around 1.8 lakhs, so 22% ROI. And yeah, the most important part is this area where the stock has been on a very good sideways trend after I posted this video, so which is around close to 1 month. I don't know how many guys were patient enough to hold this for a month. So that is how swing trading is. You have to wait, you have to be patient enough to see if your strategy works out or not. If you are just impatient, no strategy works for you. And yeah, this is something that you have to learn from experience. I know it doesn't come that easily for a beginner, but as you start to trade frequently, you will start to learn that okay, you have to wait for to make profits. Okay, yeah, this is a clean setup, guys. I think I posted at the right time, and I hope you guys made money in this. Let me know in the comment section if you guys made money in star cement. I would be happy to know. And also let me know the ROI. Okay, and if you are able to hold it, how long did you hold it? Let me know in detail. And yes, so I just wanted to give you an update on this trade. It went well. I think I'll come up with another video, probably a potential stock or NFT analysis video soon, and a lot more videos are in plan, and I would like to make that happen soon. And just wanted to give you an update about myself, and also about the trade which I took. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video with patience, and also thank you for checking up on me, because I know I've never delayed this much. I think the maximum I've done is probably 1 month. It has never been more than a month ever since this YouTube channel has started. I think it started in 2020 January. Yeah, hoping to be consistent. And yeah, that would be all, guys. See you soon again with another video. Thank you so much.